In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Stripe account. If you've decided you no longer need Stripe, or you want to clean up old test or live accounts, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to confirm the closure safely. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to delete. If you manage multiple businesses or profiles inside Stripe, double check that you're in the correct one, because the changes you're about to make apply only to the currently selected account. Once you're on your main dashboard view, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will open the settings area for your Stripe account, where you can adjust things like business details, payments, and security. In the settings menu, find and click on the section labeled Business or Business Settings. This is where Stripe keeps the configuration and information related to your overall account, not just individual payments. When you open this section, you'll see various options related to your company or personal account details. Now, stay on this business settings page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Take your time to go past the different sections until you reach the very end of the page. Near the bottom, you should see an option that says Close Account. This is the control you'll use to delete your Stripe account. Click on Close Account. Stripe doesn't let you delete an account instantly without checking. So after you click, you'll be prompted to go through a verification step before the deletion is finalized. This might involve confirming your password, entering a code sent to your email or phone, or answering a security prompt, depending on how your account is set up. Carefully follow the verification instructions on the screen. Read any warnings Stripe shows you, especially if there are outstanding payments, pending payouts, or connected services. When you're sure you're ready, confirm the closure. Once you complete this verification, Stripe will begin the process of closing your account. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the steps to delete your Stripe account.